All right, so welcome to this video. I wanted to show you a situation where WebAssign may be counting your trend line incorrect. So I'll show you how to work around that so you can get that green check mark. Okay, so in that WebAssign 2.1, like I said, this may be happening to you. Sometimes it doesn't happen. It just kind of depends on the points that they give you. But let's say these are two example points that were given in that problem. Okay, this is your price, 1.95, 700 packs, and then so forth for the second one. So I'm going to insert the scatter. All right, and then this is a situation where we need to make sure we do that row column switch because it has paired the points up vertically instead of horizontally. So I'm going to do row column switch. And then it has switched the order of the points. Okay, so I know they're correct now. Right click, add trend line. And then we want to have a linear trend line here and display the equation on the chart. Okay. And let me get this title moved over here. So this is our trend line, okay? Now WebAssign is asking for 2 decimal places. And if you notice here, it's only showing me the 1 decimal place. And sometimes Excel will just sort of chop off the rest of that decimal. I'm not really sure why it does that, but let's get Excel to show more decimal places. So I'm going to right click on this equation, format trendline label, and then I'm going, this should pop up, and then you want to choose number, and then you want it to say 2 decimal places or however many decimal places you need to see. Like, so if it was a different problem where WebAssign wanted 3 decimal places, you would choose 3 decimal places, okay? So just choose whatever's applicable. And then I don't know if you noticed, but it actually changed that to 0.33 there, okay? So this would be the answer that WebAssign's looking for. Make sure you put in the correct variable though. So like you would say, let's see, I can't remember exactly how it's worded, but you want to make sure you use the P as your variable here. So that's another mistake students make is they just keep using the X, but your input variable is the P, right? So like I said, there's just all kinds of twists and turns in there. Just make sure you're being very mindful of getting those correct decimal places and entering the correct variable. I'll see you in the next video.